little.
A is for Albatross. Albatross. B is for Blue Jay. Blue Jay. C is for Crane. Crane. D is for Dove. Dove. E is for Eagle. Eagle. F is for Flamingo. Flamingo. G is for Goldfinch. Goldfinch. H is for Hornbill. Hornbill. I is for Indian People. Indian People. J is for Jacana. Jacana. K is for Kingfisher. Kingfisher. L is for Little Bird. Little Bird. M is for Mako. Mako. N is for Nightingale. Nightingale. O is for Owl. Owl. P is for Pelican. Pelican. Q is for Quail. Quail. R is for Robin. Robin. S is for Swan. Swan. T is for Toucan. Toucan. U is for Upland Sandpiper. Upland Sandpiper. V is for Vulture. Vulture.
W
is for Woodpecker. Woodpecker. X is for Xanthus Hummingbird. Xanthus Hummingbird. Y is for Yellow Warbler. Yellow Warbler. Z is for Zebrafinch. Zebrafinch.
Please like and subscribe. And press the bell icon. Thank you.